In this section, I am going to show you how you may add music tracks to your presentation. Look to the right-hand side panel and you will see a sound icon. I'm going to click on that. Okay, I'm given a number of choices. Here, I can do my own voiceover. I can also upload music. I'm not going to do any of that. You are free to explore those options. I'm instead going to look for ready-made music tracks. So first of all, let me explore Storyblocks Premium. Click on it and I'm given a number of choices. Let me scroll down the page. I see that most of them are not free, so I'm going to abandon those choices. So close it. And next, I'm going to Free Sounds. Click on it. I scroll down the page and I'm given a bunch of free music and I can even sample. So I just click on the play button and I'm given sample. Okay, and to stop the sampling, just click on the stop button. And let me sample this one. Click on the play button. Okay, that sounds good. Stop. And next, let me sample this one. Sounds good too. Stop. And let me keep scrolling down the page. And I'm going to sample this one. Like it. So I am going to click on the use button. Watch what happens. Okay, now it is added to my presentation. You can see right in the middle pane. So I will close that. I am now going to start my presentation. Sounds really good, so I think I will settle for this.